ले आएंगे आसमां से वो सितारे,
आसमां से भी ऊंचे हैं ख्वाब हमारे।
ले आएंगे आसमां से वो सितारे, आसमां से भी ऊंचे हैं ख्वाब हमारे। रुके नहीं झुके नहीं है अब तो दोनों जहां। Soaring high, watch us fly, ship is rocking lazy by. Soaring high, watch us fly, ship is rocking lazy by. Soaring high, watch us fly, ship is rocking lazy by. Soaring high, watch us fly, ship is rocking lazy by.
नया कोर मेंबर कौन है पीछे?
Watch us fly, ship is rocking lazy by. Soaring high, watch us fly, ship is rocking lazy by.
यूं ही चले हैं और मंजिल के बहते ही जाए लेकर सारी बातें। खुशियाँ खुशियाँ ही तो मिली है, दिल दिल में है बसी हसीन सी यादें। यूं ही चले हैं और मंजिल के बहते ही जाए लेकर सारी बातें। खुशियाँ ही तो मिली है, दिल दिल में है बसी हसीन सी यादें।
भूल ना पाएंगे ये सारे लम्हे, उम्मीदों के संग सपने सजाए। Soaring high, watch us fly, ship is rocking lazy by. Soaring high, watch us fly, ship is rocking lazy by. Ship is rocking lazy by.
Parents, I must say that now they should be proud of their children, and now they should be confident that their child can work in any situation and can make things possible even in impossible situation. Honestly, if I have to say that initially when I thought about the Kshitij chairpersons, when I was not in the chair at that time, I was there what these chairpersons are exactly doing and what do. They are, I see that they're moving around in college and this, but when I saw them, about the working, and best part is the coordinating the event. I think this is the best part of both of them, that they have coordinated fantastically.
Our beloved principal, Dr. Rajpal Shripad Hande, who had always been a supporting force for all the Kshitij activities. With his sad demise, there was a huge setback. There was a time when we didn't know what to do, how to go about, whom to approach, what to do. During such a time, during such a turmoil, I can say, Dr. Krutika Desai, our in charge vice principal, has stood by us and she has given the required support to us. She gave us encouragement to take the festival ahead. So I am thankful to her as well.
Especially since, you were sailing on unknown seas, so to say, It was probably that you required to have more power, more courage, more passion to overcome obstacles. that would probably come your way. And I think you did that very successfully.
Chaotic. That's the word for it, because everything had to be tried, tested, checked, again retried because of failures, etc. But yes, they were trying times, and it was required to be very, very rigorous and intensive. It has gone global. We've got participation from all across the globe. So yes, it has reached its heights. The benchmark has still gone higher, which is the motto of Mitibai College, higher still and higher.
I definitely miss our late principal, Dr. Rajpal Shripad Hande. He is one of the best principals which I have worked under. Only one line I can say about him, that for him and what he has taught me, success has no end. My initial reaction was thank God. Kshitijites are not like ordinary regular student that they would say that sir, it's pandemic, we can't do anything, nothing is possible, there's lockdown. So I was very happy that Kshitijites, as always, wanted to make the festival grand even in the time of pandemic situation. Yeah, the show that you all have put up is really commendable. I think it has crossed my expectations of from Kshitij 20 long back. Maybe in the month of November only you all had crossed. So I had no more expectations and what you have done. So a great job guys, all of you, and hats off to you.
Honestly, I wasn't very surprised. Knowing that the students have so much passion and so much enthusiasm for Kshitij, it wasn't very surprising. They said that we will have Kshitij this year also, because we were having online classes. So in my head, I was okay, we will have something online only. So it wasn't very, very surprising. Yes. So now when we are talking about the online festival, I think the students of Mitibai have created a benchmark in itself. So for batch 2020, I would want to say that you've done a great job, fabulous job, guys. Keep it up.
They started changing this challenge into an opportunity. They started making it, instead of just a 4 or 5 day festival, they started making this into a kind of a continuous mission, okay, wherein you had social causes, events right from 15th of August, Dil Hai Hindustani, it just went on, okay, the inauguration, Deepak Nivas Huda, the captain of the Indian Kabaddi team, and countless sports persons, yeah, of all genders. It was just one karwa, as they say, okay, log milte gaye, karwa banta gaya of sorts, and workshops, international celebrities, artists conducting workshops, okay, international participation from all diverse sections of India. So this just went on to become a mega jamboree of sorts that we had never imagined possible.
Kshitij, our expectation was very clear that we wanted to reach to the entire world, okay, and we wanted to make it a global festival, and yes, we have reached around 250 colleges and universities also. Entries from US, Kuwait, Canada, Dubai, Pakistan, and many more countries all over the world. Initial days were no doubt little difficult, but you know that our team, the entire team worked very hard, like from chairperson to the volunteer, HODs, sub HODs, everyone worked very hard. So we have really made our Sapno Ka Safar a grand success.
We chose the chairperson, the vice chairperson, the HODs, and very, very dedicated group of students. All that we did was we just showed them the way. The innovation came from them, the hard work came from them, the sincerity came from them. And now all of us know that Kshitij is a great, great success. Kshitij 2020 is the largest digital fest.
I must say, I never told to this, you guys, members, mine. Raj Bhoro, I'm really proud of you guys.
And they're so amazing and so cute and so nice. Hi, Ashka.
So the one thing that happened is that on Halloween, all my members wore a white color dupatta or a blanket, a white blanket or something like that, and wore goggles over their faces. It was damn hilarious.
They will always remain my cartoons. So yeah. Yeah, we learn new things from them each day. They learn new things from us every day.
Same thing happens at the same time. मेरा राजका is just a telepathy और इतना precise होता है ना यश, मैं तेरे को बताती हूँ.
अरे मत लेना आज. Whatever I am because of you all, my committee members and my members. अरे यार. अरे. And last but not the least, सिक्योरिटी ये साल क्लियर द गैंग वे या बबल देने नहीं मिला, गेट पे खड़े रहने नहीं मिला, गेट पे खड़े रह के अडवाली करने नहीं मिला इन फ्रंट ऑफ द ऑडियंस. गो फ्रिस्की.
The technical work is working in each and every field, like any live event going on YouTube, Facebook or anywhere in the social media, it is all managed by the technical team.
सबको बहुत expectations थे 2 महीने में offline करेंगे. अरे we always had that thing about the pro night करना है. One thing that we never told them is that we're really proud of them. If the members listen to all of this that we're talking right now, na, hopefully we'll be making memories. But अभी के लिए वो जितने bonding sessions पहले and the Halloween वाला thing यार, the Halloween one was very nice. Best bloopers candid में आते हैं ले अभी.
I was very scared at first. मैं इश्ता को पूरे समय बोलती रहती कि मैं announce होंगी कि नहीं.
There are no meetings for CFA. We just, whenever we are free, we just WhatsApp call each other and we take a meeting.
मैं क्या बोलूँ यार, उन लोगों के लिए तो कुछ ज़्यादा फील करती हूँ लेकिन कुछ बोल नहीं पा रही.
Best memory with my members was that once we stayed up night for the brochure doodle wala thing. We stayed up till 4 and we had all the gupshups we could.
Something that I would never actually say to your face before Kshitij ends is कि तुम लोगों का काम मैं एक्चुअल में acknowledge and appreciate करती हूँ. So नेशर एंड ऋषभ स्टार्टिंग से बोलते थे कि कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम बुक करके क्षितिज करेंगे, कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम बुक करके क्षितिज करेंगे. फिर वो आया होटल पे, फिर वो आया 5 स्टार होटल पे.
And then out of the blue, we had 7 events. That has never happened in LA history. We had 7 events plus a little bit of an upsurge in the writing work. It was mad, but we managed. Every time we did mocks, and every single time they messed up the mute settings, I would play Thunderstruck by AC/DC on full blast, on complete full blast, till a point that everyone just went like, okay, she's playing Thunderstruck on full blast, I'm not being able to mute her, okay, we messed up with the mute settings. It's something that's really cute and I hold very close to my heart.
And I remember I'm very clumsy, so I was falling all the time, so all of them were there to help me up. मेरे से एक तो ये होता नहीं.
I do shout at them a lot, but then I think they're very sweet.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss तुम लोगों का बहाने to miss the meetings. I'm gonna miss those messages. I'm not at home. I have to attend a wedding and all those stupid reasons to not attend the meeting.
My fight when I used to chill with my friends was the best fight. We used to start at like 10 p.m. and then our fight used to go on till 3 a.m. We used to gossip the rest. I think that was the best part. So when I met everyone outside in Marriott, I think the best part was I never felt that I'm meeting them for the first time. I had a very family level feeling vibe with them. I was vibing. It was very good to meet everyone. Yeah.
अनाउंस होने के चांसेस हैं, बट फिर भी एक रहता है कि नहीं हुए तो क्या होगा, लाइक क्या करूंगा मैं पूरा दिन घर पे, कुछ तो काम था नहीं, लॉकडाउन था. देन फिर अनाउंस हो गए तो अच्छा लगा. एंड अदर देन दैट जो मार्केटिंग में थे लास्ट ईयर सारे मेंबर्स, मेरे को मेंबर्स, वो सब भी अनाउंस हो गए। तो बस अच्छा लगा, फिर बहुत अच्छा लगा। एक तो कभी कभी कुछ याद आता है कि CCM चल रहा था और फिर बहुत ही टेंस सा सिचुएशन था, बट फिर उस टाइम शायद यशवी के घर में वो रूम चेंज कर रही थी और उसके भाई ने ऐसे वी करते हुए आवाज निकला था, वी ऐसा, फिर सब लोग वी वी करने लगे थे, तो उस टाइम थोड़ा मजा आया था।
एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? फर्स्ट टाइम हमने लाइव स्ट्रीम किया था, तो उसके लिए मैंने ये बनाया था पोस्टर, खाली एक बैकड्रॉप के लिए। तो फिर हर्षित ने निशित को मेरा नाम दिया फॉर ग्राफिक्स हेड, देन निशित के साथ कांटेक्ट हुआ, 2-3 पोस्टर्स बनाए मैंने। फिर नेक्स्ट डे निशित ने लिंक भेजा CCN का, बोला कि ज्वाइन दिस। फिर नेक्स्ट मैं ग्राफिक्स हेड था। तो ग्राफिक्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आई गेस कुछ ज़्यादा चेंज था नहीं, बट लोड ज़्यादा था क्योंकि पोस्ट भी बहुत सारे थे, प्लस जागो की प्लस ब्रोशर। बेस्ट मेमोरी थी फेज़ 1 में लास्ट डे पे वो डांस साटी गली पे।
पता नहीं था कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट मिलेगा, क्या होगा, एंड जैसे ही पता चला कि फाइनेंस है तो इट वाज अ वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग इमोशन, एंड बहुत अच्छा लगा कि कुछ नया डिपार्टमेंट है, कुछ नया सीखने मिलेगा। सो माय फेवरेट मेंबर इज मानव दोषी।
पेंसिल क्या होता है? अपना एक ही डिपार्टमेंट रहेगा ना, 4-4 घंटा मीटिंग चलते हैं, मेरे मेंबर्स बोलते 6 घंटा, रात को 3 बजे जब मीटिंग चलते हैं। पूरा दिन हम लोग खेलते रहते हैं मॉक्स के नाम पे, COD और PC पे गेम्स खेलते हैं हम लोग।
So for me, like a virtual festival was something, especially Kshitij, I thought that they would just do like 10-15 events. They would just wrap it up with one musical concert and it would be that grand. But turns out that it was actually much more than I had expected. Like,
We've never said this out and about to everybody, but we're very proud of you guys, and you've really matured as individuals, and we really hope and we wish that you get the best of things.
and trust me, we couldn't have done anything in PR without you guys.
We built it right from like 0 to 100 or where we are right now. Eventually, my members and my co-head became my Kshitij family. Yeah, and they are absolute cuties. Both of us will agree because they are cuteness, so they have to be cute. We did become family for both of us. So now obviously we love it more than anything.
Both Ashwi and towards the ball.
I jumped around my house.
Members भी सब बहुत cute है, very nice and very hardworking.
They're very cute.
Yeah, they're very cute.
Very, very cute. I think I say it over and over again, at least to myself or to Darren also, that you know, you're like the cutest bunch of 10 people.
I think initially while announcing, they had said that only marketing will only have in charges, and then directly towards the end they are like, okay, let's announce the marketing heads as well, and then my name came. So I was obviously pretty happy.
What was the question? Initially, expectations wise, इतना ही लाना था, and then धीरे everything increased, all the expectations increased, our expectations increased. So yeah, that was like an important thing because we said everything.
So it was better than we expected it to be, you can say. What do you think you have to do?
It's a random BTS.
But slowly as time went by, we started, having bonding sessions. We started chilling with them after work in the night. And also they became friends like family. I think we're all gonna cherish this forever, and even after Kshitij, I'm sure we're gonna be like a small family of pro shows.
I didn't expect to be announced सबसे पहले तो I was like कि other people have more experience. मेरे को तो नहीं लगा ये देख हाँ so I was like देखते हैं whatever happens, but when
and the day we got announced, Malay in the morning was like कि भाई if you don't announce you will do Kshitij ना, तो मैंने बोला बेटा गया कोई नहीं बन रहा है head. But then initially तुम लोग बहुत obedient थे, टाइम पे मीटिंग में आते थे, कैमरा ऑन करने बोलती थी, तुम लोग कर देते थे.
Initially when we were an applicant and also like initial days of when I was announced, तो ऐसा feeling था कि बस 3-4 घंटा काम करेंगे and later on it's all bonding and chill sessions, so when I can do other stuff as well. But like it ended up कि like 24/7 अभी काम करना ही करना है. One thing I would like to mention about my members, and I'm really proud of you all, and like something like
this is something that I've never told you all on face, and probably like to the end of Kshitij I'm telling this to you all, and I love you all. And like the best memory, I would like to point this out. And like once I joined the meeting, everyone had like a cartoon ka background leke, virtual background leke, you all were like sitting, and like that was really very cute.
I would like to ask Nesha Rishabh this question कि क्या हो गया वो 3 घंटे का, मेरे को आज जानना है थोड़ा. Sorry, cut. My ever shining personality, क्योंकि ऑफलाइन में JW married तो मिलता नहीं. ऋषभ का ये this used to be the go-to statement whenever we start the TCM. VCPs, तुम लोग की डायरी कहाँ है? I think everyone in Kshitij knows this now, and I think I'm jealous also कि how much I defend my side in front of chairpersons, vice chairpersons, everyone. There's no physical interaction, and there's no meeting each other. There's no going to canteen or shouting and singing songs in the Kshitij office, and just walking in the main foyer and everything, and going for tea breaks and everything.
This is only because these guys fooled me. They tricked me into giving my bite in my Kshitij hoodie, which obviously I love. But these guys, all of them, they gave their bites in civil clothes. And as a part of a protest, wait, 1 second. As a part of my protest, I'm wearing new clothes and I have given this one sentence for my bite. And I hope it goes there, it makes it there. With a new format that we had this year, doing it for the very first time wasn't easy enough. And one of the most hard-working lot of people is this year's core committee. I feel honestly, मस्ती भी करते हैं, सब balance कर लेते हैं. So I really wish I had more years in Mitibai to do Kshitij again. How many ever years? I think I could have done it.
Jai Shri Ram! I'm Yashvi Kotecha and I'm your host for today. तो दिन का 3 घंटा लाइक हाँ ऑनलाइन में क्या ही ओके यशवी हाई यशवी थैंक यू यशवी बाय यशवी आई लव working for this festival. It has given me a lot. I really like the way we've conducted the festival this year, and there's so much more we've done that we could ever think of doing with this festival. It has opened up a lot of opportunities and a lot of doors, but my heart remains in offline. I cannot, it's just a different feeling working and screaming in JRM, and we've seen a very hard-working core this year. And so since we had to do the entire festival with the degree members, I cannot imagine the burden that these core members have had all throughout the the festival, and they've not at all complained. They've never rant. They did not rant about it. They didn't complain. They just did everything with a smile, and I'm like, it's just very motivating and inspiring to see that.
लगावे तू जब लिपस्टिक भाई टूट जाएगा आज.
सिर्फ 3 घंटा से 1 मिनट भी बड़ा तू रिजाइन कर दे, LOR दे दे. ये क्या हो गया? So I'm grateful for giving me this opportunity कि VCP and for every your guidance सीखने मिला है बहुत तुम लोग से, and thank you and looking forward to spend some time with you आगे थोड़ा chill करने. Guys, नागापुरी के निम्बूस, grateful for you guys and I love you. तो आपको तो पता ही है यार, I'm the target in most of the TCMs. बिकॉज सब मेरे से बड़े हैं यार, मैं छोटा हूँ सबसे, एंड सब 1-1 साल बड़े ही है. एंड सो क्लाउन प्रो मैक्स गैंग, आई लव यू.
I'm going to take you to my journey from where it started, 2016. I had come from a school with 24 students in a class, and I entered a place with 150 students in a class. He told me that you should try Kshitij, it's a Mitibai's festival, it's a cultural event. That day, I think, was the first time I never quit. From that day to this day, it's messages for each volunteer, to each head, to each committee member, to each VCP, that dream big. But 5 years, as I said, बोलने में तो सिर्फ 1 सेकेंड लगता है, करने में मुझे बहुत साल निकल लिए. मैं क्या पूरी दुनिया कुछ एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रही थी कि ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा, बट अंदर से था कि यार वाई माई ईयर, वाई मी. 1 सीढ़ी चढ़ी, 2 सीढ़ी चढ़ी, 3 सीढ़ी चढ़ी, मेरी 4थी सीढ़ी चढ़ने के बाद है ना 5वीं होती ही नहीं. आई हैव टू स्ट्रेच माई लेग टू गेट द 6th सीढ़ी पे चढ़ने के लिए. क्योंकि अगर मैंने 20 में चेयरपर्सन बना तो ये पंजाबी नाइट लाऊंगा, ये बॉलीवुड नाइट लाऊंगा, ये SFX पे उड़ाऊंगा, ये करूँगा, वो करूँगा. कोरोना वायरस आया, धीरे धीरे प्रोनाइट के सपने क्या, अपना लास्ट ईयर क्षितिज के चेयरपर्सन ना बनने का गिल्ट, वो अंदर से ही रोना आ गया था कि 4 साल इतनी मेहनत करके 5-6 साल में कुछ नहीं करना है तुम्हें। होप था कि दिस वोंट स्टॉप। एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो कुछ नहीं थी, बट होप था अंदर से, और ये झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा, होप था।
The reason behind the success of our festival every year is not the number of volunteering committee we have, neither the marketing contacts, the celebrity contacts we have. It is the unity, the team strength, the team bonding we have amongst ourselves. I saw a dream in 2015 after my sabr for 5 years. In the 6th year I got the phal, which is extremely sweet. My core committee, my top core, I have learned so many new things from them. You guys have done a fabulous job. I am extremely proud of you guys. We are soaring beyond horizon this year. We have made a superb festival. I really respect you, Harsh Nahata, and I'm really proud that in spite of you not being here, you are working day and night. I would specially thank Praveen sir for molding me into a better person. He's always been a guiding light of support, like a father figure, always showing me the right path. Aishar, my partner, इतना कुछ है उसके बारे में, सब वल्गर ही निकलता है. I will miss your बोल बच्चन after Kshitij, Aishar. Be ready for the biggest version of Kshitij, which will be Kshitij 21.
तो इतना सिखाया है कि साला भूल जाता है इसको जज। मजाक सॉरी अरे मेरा छोड़ दिया भाई, सॉरी हो गया बेटा। आई एम अ वेरी disciplined boy, but these people have spoiled
You can see that with his outfit.
As Rishabh always says that we are only the face of the festival.
Yes, we were just the face of the festival. You guys were the pillar. And because of you people, we can call this festival as Asia's largest
virtual festival.